Do you want the pasta? You got it now? You got the piece of pasta? Are you happy you ate the pasta? Hmm?